got pulling up? My guy.
Oh, the back ones are really chunky.
Tell me what you got going on in here with the car. You could just like
Cali
speak
cam, American racing headers,
okay.
Full exhaust, no mufflers, just high flow cats to mellow it out. Slightly ported by hand, fast intake, ported 90 mil LS2 throttle body, cold air intake, cooling done, chassis bracing, coilovers, because it is a canyon car, so all the handling goodies, sway bars.
And you said with the wheels that you have, you said this is a Dodge Demon spec?
Yeah, so with these welds, it's stock size, but it has just a bit more offset. So with that extra offset, yeah, you can squeeze a 315 40 18 size tire, which I'm pretty sure is what comes on the Demon. And yeah, it's almost 28 inches tall. Yeah, with that extra offset, dude, I didn't have to remove the brake ducts or cut into it. Yeah, it's kind of insane, but it works.
That is sick.
I know Mustang dynos breathe lower, and it made like 400 on the dot.
Like
400 to 440 on a dyno, in that range. It's definitely not meant for more racing, but it can do it for fun.
So back with the 2024 GTI. So I remember you had the CTS turbo from the CTS intake from last time.
Yes.
What else do you have done to this?
I just recently added a CTS intercooler. Switched tunes now. Still EQT, but it's now stage 2. Full 85 low torque as well. Still stock downpipe, stock turbo, stock clutch. Pretty much the same as the last video. Just a little more beans.
How much power would you say this is putting down right now?
Maybe like high 3s.
High 300 wheel?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like 370, 380.
Yeah, and the GTIs are pretty light. Having like the GTI turbo, it's a little bit less horsepower than mine, but you have the weight advantage. And this is also a manual, right?
Yes.
Well, it looks really nice, man.
Thank you, bro. I appreciate it.
So here's my engine bay. And with this car, we got the 034 full intake. Let me put the flash on. A full intake from 034 with the turbo inlet. And it's running a APR tune, off-the-shelf file on E85.
Volkswagen did such a basic engine cover for mine.
Let me try to zoom in on the stock turbo. Let me look at that.
Yeah, it's a lot bigger. You could tell difference from yours to mine.
The estimated power figures on this is about low 400 wheel, according to APR's website.
Yeah, your engine bay just looks a lot nicer.
Oh, like the engine cover?
Yeah.
We got a little bit more power on the S3, but the GTI has weight advantage, so. And 6-speed. If you can, as long as you're hooking, you're gonna have that longer gear to, just like roll through and pull, so.
Yeah.
It should make for a good run, man.
It's like the little brother, older little brother.
Yeah.